If you are wondering if we have a floating window mode available on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer is yes. We have a couple of ways that allow you to activate the pop-up view. The first method is to simply open an app, go to the background apps, and tap on the app name that we have above the app preview. And then in here we have this floating window button. There we go. Besides that, what you can also do is, if you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom towards the upper right corner and drop the app over here. And as you can see, we have the floating window mode activated as well. If you use Smart Sidebar, any app that you have in here can be opened quite easily with the from the Smart Sidebar just by tapping on the app. As you can see, it activates in the floating window mode. And last but not least, if you receive a notification in a form of a banner at the upper side of the screen, then you can swipe down from that banner to activate the app in the pop-up view. Leave a like and subscribe.